Welcome to the leading site news.
Well, some of the local reporters have approached me during last few days to seek my position on these serious allegations. Even I have seen in social media as well as in state level media that there are some serious allegations of misconduct, harassment, abuse of authority, obstruction of official procedures, and misuse of funds. So basically these are the 5 serious allegations against me as of now I have seen in the media. So initially I thought not to ratch dirty clothes in public because our college has suffered a lot and there was a decade of darkness, and some of you, our ex-students, might be knowing the truth is in front of your eyes. So I did not want to ratch in public. But now, since last night, I have been thinking, because I have to open my mouth. Otherwise, it will be a threat to my life. The way it is floated in public domain and the way it is being made viral, it will definitely create problem for me, and it may be threat to my life. Therefore, I want to clarify my position. At the very outset, I would like to say that all these allegations are baseless, fabricated, afterthought, and unfounded, and these are made with malified intentions. This is point number 1. Number 2, I have hard facts and evidences against that so-called senior lady lecturer who has leveled allegations against me, and those evidences already I have produced in front of investigating committee, and that's why, and if needed, I can provide those. Okay, I have evidences, and I was silent because since matter is already under investigation, so I did not feel the necessity to divulge information in public domain. But now I am compelled because my safety is important. It may be a threat to my life. So once again I am reiterating that why am I giving clarification. Having said so, let me say that all these allegations are afterthought allegations, false, fabricated, premeditated, and just to conceal her fault, her misbehavior, she has leveled those allegations against me. Actually what happened, on 16th of last month, I as officer in charge of FYUG semester examination along with assistant officer in charge visited different rooms, because as a principal this is my duty, as a center in charge this is my duty to see whether conduct of examination is going smooth. So I entered in different rooms, and almost in every room I have seen invigilators who are performing their duty. But while I entered in her room, I have found her standing in the corner, and the another invigilator who was incidentally her departmental colleague, she was talking to her, chit-chatting with her. So even in my presence, she did not pay any attention. That shows her brazenness. This is number 1, defiant attitude. And then I took a round, 2 rounds I took in the room number G2. Then while coming out, I merely said, ma'am, please have a walk. So is it my fault? Isn't it my duty? Then she said, no need to teach me, I am at the verge of retirement, please get out. She said like this in front of students, in front of assistant officer in charge. You can verify it. Even some hostelers were there in the examination hall, you can verify from them. So I knew it since long, since the day of my joining as principal in charge. She is having personal grudge. Might be she was very close with somebody, some principals, ex-principals, might be because of that, maybe ulterior motives. I have nothing to say in this regard. But she had a personal grudge. From the day one, she started defiant attitude. And simply I can cite you some WhatsApp chats. That is also another public platform, because HOD's group. In HOD's group, on 5th September, that time after joining, I joined in the from 1st March, I took up the charge as principal IC. 24. And I was actually, ordered by authority to take up this charge. Though initially I was not interested. but by seeing my service seniority, because I have joined this college in the year 1992. Almost entire life I have spent here. By going through my service seniority, this authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has given me in charge principal, and accordingly I have created team, and I have taken all the teachers into confidence. And you can see during last 2 years, 3 months, there was no controversy in the college. Earlier during admission time, there used to be dharna and all these things. And this college was marked for a decade by all these rowdy activities. Then principal was lodging complaint, and then students were lodging complaint, so many things. Anyway, I am not going into that chapter. So what I wanted as senior most faculty member, I wanted that I should rescue this college from the quagmire. It was in the quagmire. So it was in healing stage. How I healed this institution, I will go in details in due course of my clarification. So regarding these allegations that she said that I misbehaved, rather she misbehaved me. You can see this, that on 5th September I gave order along with DGC SUS. We wanted to celebrate Teachers' Day together in auditorium, but she instructed her colleagues that they should attend another program in F9 at the same time. That means she actually rebutted, or she contradicted principal's order. This is one thing. Secondly, in the month of September, as you know, after admission was by and large it was complete in 2024 within the month of August. From September there was full swing class. What she did, she went to Delhi, out of state, without intimating principal in charge, without giving any documents thereof. She went to Delhi. From Delhi, she WhatsApped me, and this is our language. I read it. Principal sir, my health condition is very bad. Once I shall feel better, I shall come back and take earned leave. My daughter is also not well. I have already informed it to the college office. College office, it is an absurd thing. Where is college office? How did you inform? She did not inform actually. She simply had written like this. See the language, see the brazenness. Is this the way a so-called senior faculty members communicate with principal? You understand? Then for the whole month she was absent at the peak hour. Then she is HOD of the department. Whole month she was absent. When she came back, then I said that you regularize your earned leave. Then she had a problem. She did not want to give application. She did not want to do that. Even then, then finally she gave. And once she gave, I forwarded and her earned leave was granted. She says that I am harassing because I did not give earned leave and all these things. This is the proof. This is the proof that this was I forwarded it to authority, and this is the earned leave order. She already got earned leave order, but then this fake narrative she is trying to build. Okay, she is trying to build against me with ulterior motives. This is one thing. Secondly, what happened? Then regarding in the month of December 2024, as you know, I am lucky to inform you that after my joining as principal, I see that Assam State School Education Board has chosen our college as lead college. And as a lead college principal, I had to undertake so many activities. Lead college activities is huge, district level committee. And we have the privilege, and we have been delivering without any controversy, without any problem. Our district really performed nicely since then, 2024. But as per the instruction of this Assam State School Education Board, we are supposed to conduct one pre-final test for HS second year students. So accordingly, I passed an order and I have uploaded it in HOD's group. This is the order. You can see I have uploaded in HOD's group. Okay. Then what she did? She has written, it is not possible to conduct the higher secondary examination in December. See, she is directly opposing principal's order. Is it not dereliction of duty? Is it not defiance and insubordination? You just judge yourself. Since our winter vacation will start from 25th December 2024, most of the students have also gone home for celebration of Christmas and New Year. Yeah, it will be a gross violation of the rights of the teachers and students while taking this decision. I think all HODs are not consulted. Actually, IQSC is the internal quality assessment cell. I, in consultation with IQSC, plus as per instruction of higher authority, I passed that order. Then immediately I clarified. I just said right implies duties as well. However, it's up to the concerned department, but mark sheet be submitted to authority on or before 17 January. So this is my duty as principal. That's what I did. But she was opposing. Then what she has written, this is words. You can see. This is misbehavior. Else what it is? She has said that I know my duty well. Since the beginning of my career, on the verge of retirement, I need not have to learn it from anyone else. Is it a language of senior faculty member? You just judge. And regarding her seniority, let me tell you, hardly 16-17 years back, she took a transfer from Haflong Golf College. She did not join in Diphu Government College. Therefore, she doesn't have that station seniority, what she is claiming. Regarding HOD, she became HOD in the year 2024. I forwarded her HOD application. After me joining as principal IC, she became HOD. But I was head of the department since 2001 to 2024. You can imagine the length of my experience. So that is the thing. Then what happened? There are many complaints. There are many complaints against her, lodged by students. One such complaint, I'll show you. Acha. In the complaint itself, she claimed that she is presiding officer of internal committee. But in internal committee, Jalina Mushayari is the presiding officer. She actually misguided. In her application, she misguided. That means she has the habit of functioning in a whimsical manner, self-styled manner. So these are the things. I do not talk without evidence. These are the evidences. Okay, and I am so sorry, and really it is unfortunate that I am to divulge those things in public domain for the safety and security of my life. Okay, regarding students, I'll show you. Students having complaint against her, and students are scared also, very much.